Guys, welcome back. Got Kodiplayz here.
Yeah,
Look what we got here. Vintage floppy disk I found on the side of the road. Yeah, start smashing it. Get off the wood real quick. Hold on, I'll do the first hit.
You got poos.
I don't know, got Kodiplayz here. And whoever did that placement, the placing of that sticker did a really good job of it. It totally doesn't make me into it looking at it. Yeah. I want to see the disc. Oh, cracked the vintage treasure. Oh no. So muddy over here. Oh no, the metal thing.
Lately.
There's been a lot of flooding in Dunedin and that's why everything's wet. The metal broke off. You want to have a go hitting it? Not hard though, just. Oh yeah. We got Kodiplayz. We're back again, once again, recording some videos. What is this? Oh, this is for another video. Will it be compatible with the CD though? It shouldn't be compatible.
What about the glue stick?
I don't know, guys. I got a glue stick here as well. Will it be compatible with this?
Put it over here.
See what happens if I smash the glue stick in it. Wait, hold on. Oh no! Exploded! See what happens if I smash it with a hammer?
Shit, my brain.
Oh my god! Not the disc! Wait, hold on, what's inside it? What's inside the vintage disc? Got some tape, don't know what that's all about. Bulky plastic case. Disc. So much data and stuff on that. Man, this looks so cheap. Try not to break the wood, I need that for future videos.
Hey, I've did it for